Hello everyone, I'm your N for Hepta Networks. Hope everyone are doing great. In this video, we are going to unbox a MobileCM Space Weather Station, which was sent by Hyfix. So this is a sponsored video, and in this video, we will look into different components in this kit. This is an outdoor antenna, so you could mount the antenna outdoors. This antenna has TNC female connector, and on the center of this antenna we have the space to insert the rod. So we will look into the rod later in this video, and after that, this is the device itself, the CM mobile weather station. And this has three connectors which would with which we could connect the Wi-Fi antenna, the cable for this GNSS antenna, and this one is for LoRa antenna. So pretty much we won't be using a LoRa antenna at the moment. It has not yet been enabled, but in future they are planning to enable it. And in the bottom of the device, you would see the on off button, a reset button, the power LED light, and the Wi-Fi LED, which is green color. The orange one shows if it is connected to the satellite and working fine. So this is the port where we could insert the Type C cable. This power cable is provided in the kit itself. Let's see how the Wi-Fi antenna is getting connected. So you would see a mark nearby the connector which says Wi-Fi. So in that connector you could attach the Wi-Fi antenna. It's a rubber duck antenna, and this is the coax outdoor cable with TNC male port on one end and SMA male port on another end. So this is an outdoor cable, and you would see the length of the cable, which is 9 meter, as well as the type of connectors mentioned in the cable itself, so that you could understand. And if you want to purchase any lengthier cable in aftermarket, you could certainly do it. And you could also use LMR 240 or LMR 400 cables if you are going for, much lengthier cable. And you would see GNSS mark mentioned nearby this connector, the center connector. There you have to connect the SMA male connector, and in the antenna, as I mentioned earlier, you have to connect the TNC male connector from the other end of the coax cable. And once you connect it tight, you it's better to tape it with the weatherproof tape, so that in case of rain, there won't be any water, leak which would affect the connector. And as I mentioned, this is another package which came in the consignment. So this would have the a rod to mount the antenna, as well as we will have another small packet which will have the clamps, screws to mount that clamp in the wall, as well as to tighten the clamp in the antenna. So this kit costs you around $495, and this has everything, I would say, except the power adapter, which you could buy for $5 to $10 of cost, and even pretty cheaper. So for this price point, I would say it is a worth, but the customs duty and the taxes would be differ from place to place. This is how you would connect the clamp to the rod. So yeah, pretty much you would get everything in this package. And this is not a financial advice. So do your own research before you make any decision, because we are not responsible for that. And if in case you find this project interesting, and if you want to, uh, support this project to contribute better GNSS weather data, and you could certainly buy this device through the link which is mentioned in the description. And this project is incentivized through their native token, which is Geode, and this token is running on Polygon blockchain. So I will also include the website and other details in the description so that you could go through their website and understand more. Hope you all enjoy this video. Thank you so much.